Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about the first chapter of 11th standard mathematics, that is sets. In this video you are going to learn about what is a set and how to represent a set. Let us start with what is a set. So set is a collection of well-defined objects. So here we have well-defined. What is meant by this word well-defined? Well-defined collection means the collection which does not change from person to person. That type of collection is called a well-defined collection. So what is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. For example, let us take set A is equal to set of all A, E, I, O, U. We know that the sets are represented by capital letters and the elements of the sets are denoted by small letters. So always we have to write the elements of the set within the flower brackets and are separated by the commas. So here I have taken the example of the collection of vowels in English alphabet. So A is equal to, set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So for anybody you can ask to write the collection of vowels in English alphabet, all will write A, E, I, O, U. So this is a well-defined collection and hence it is a set. If I ask to write the collection of two most beautiful birds in the world, so I can write some A is equal to, set A is equal to, for me, peacock and parrot are the most beautiful birds in the world. But you may write some set A is equal to swan and pigeon. So that means according to me, peacock and parrot are the most beautiful birds in this world. But you may write the most beautiful birds are swan and pigeon. So that means the collection is changing from person to person. That means this collection, the collection of two most beautiful birds in the world, is not a well-defined collection. So it is not a well-defined collection and hence we can say that that collection is not a set. That is not a set. So again come to this example. Here we have taken E belongs to A. This symbol denotes belongs to. So E belongs to set A. That means E is the element of the set A. So here we have element B does not belongs to set A. This symbol denotes does not belongs. So B is not an element of set A. So we can write B does not belongs to A. So this is about set. So then move on to representation of a set. So there are two methods of representation of a set. They are, first one is roster form or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Let us see one by one. Roster form. In roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet is set A, E, I, O, U. So that means in roster form, we are going to list out the elements. So we are going to list out all the elements of the set like this. A, E, I, O, U. So the only thing you need to remember is in roster form we are going to list out all the elements in the set. So next we move on to the second method of representation, that is set builder form. So in set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. So for example, in compared to roster form, so in roster form we have to list out all the elements, but here in set builder form we need to write the common property possessed by the elements. So for example, here we have set B is equal to, this can be read as set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. So here x denotes the general element of the set. Okay. So set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Instead of listing a, e, I, o, u, we have written the common property possessed by those elements. That means in general we can write x is a vowel in English alphabet. So in set builder form we need to write the common property possessed by the elements. So which should not be included to any other element outside the set. So this is about the method of representation of a set.